What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a paging mic to your Pre-70V. So one of the cool features of the Pre-70V are the two microphone inputs that we have on the front and the back of the preamp, so we can set up a paging microphone like this one here. To do that, you're just going to need your microphone and a 1/4 inch cable. Plug one end into the 1/4 inch output on the back of your microphone. Then plug the other end into one of the 1/4 inch mic inputs. For today, we're gonna use the priority mic 1 input. Next, we'll wanna raise the mic 1 level knob here on our preamp. To make sure we're hearing everything coming out of the preamp, we'll raise the master volume knob. And if we have our speakers set up to specific zones, we'll want to raise the volume on each zone that we're using. On some microphones like this one here, there's an independent mic volume knob, and you'll want to make sure to raise that as well. So whenever we're ready to use our microphone, we can press mic on. And now if I talk into the microphone, check 1, 2, you should be able to hear my voice coming out of the speaker. Another cool feature is the mic 1 mute knob here on the back of the preamp to lower the signal of our microphone or to mute it in general. And remember, there's also the mic 2 input on the back of the preamp. If you wanted to set up another microphone, you're just going to follow the same exact steps, except you'll want to plug into mic input 2 and then raise the volume for mic 2 on the front of the preamp. And remember, we also have the echo knob that works with mic 2 only to give mic 2 an echo effect. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up a paging mic to your Pre-70V. But of course, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.